Hello friends, I am Khutsre sir from Guruvarya Dadoji Konddev Sainik School Tasgaon. Today we are going to learn about verb from spotting errors. The students which are trying for UPSC written exam of the subject English. So let's see verb. The changed form of a verb that indicate time of the action are called tense of the verb. So first, past tense. When the verb in the principal clause is in the past tense, the verbs of the subordinate clause should be in the past tense. For example, he said that he had finished his work. प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज है he said, ये पास्ट टेंस में है, और दैट ही हैड फिनिश्ड हिज वर्क ये आल्सो पास्ट टेंस में है. तो प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज पास्ट टेंस में है तो सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज भी पास्ट टेंस में ही होना चाहिए. आई वॉज इन्फॉर्म्ड दैट हर मदर वॉज इल. आई वॉज इन्फॉर्म्ड प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज है, पास्ट टेंस है. दैट हर मदर वॉज इल सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज है, वो भी पास्ट टेंस में है. But a past tense in the principal clause may or may not be followed by the past tense in the subordinate clause if the latter expresses universal or habitual truth. For example, the teacher said that the earth revolves around the sun. इधर principal clause the teacher said past tense में है, लेकिन दैट द अर्थ रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड द सन ये प्रेजेंट टेंस में है क्योंकि ये यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ है. माई ब्रदर टोल्ड मी दैट स्मोकिंग इज इंजुरियस टू हेल्थ. इधर प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज है माई ब्रदर टोल्ड मी, पास्ट टेंस में है. दैट स्मोकिंग इज इंजुरियस टू हेल्थ ये प्रेजेंट टेंस में है क्योंकि ये हैबिचुअल ट्रूथ है. Any tense may be used in the subordinate clause if it gives comparison by using the word than. For example, he respected you more than he respects his uncle. than word यूज किया है तो उसके बाद कौन सा भी टेंस आ सकता है. The teacher liked Anil better than he liked me. So in the first sentence, past tense and present tense is used, and in second sentence, past tense and again past tense is used. So any tense would be there if the word than is there. Any tense can be used when the subordinate clause is in a quotation. She said he will go to Madras. Here future tense is used. I said I am going to Delhi today. The present perfect tense means subject plus have or has plus V3 cannot be used when an expression of past time means yesterday, last night, ago, etc. is used. These words are used for simple past tense. See, we wrote to you yesterday about his mother. Here yesterday word is used, so simple past tense is used. We wrote. I finished my letter last night. Here the word last night, expression last night is used, so simple past tense I finished. Conditional sentences. In conditional sentences, the subordinate clause beginning with if is generally in present or past tense but not in future tense. If I go to Delhi, I shall see the Red Fort. So the clause if I go to Delhi प्रेजेंट टेंस में है. If I had worked hard, he would have passed. If he had worked hard, ये past tense में है. उसके बाद का क्लॉज है वो he would have passed. So if का जो क्लॉज होता है वो प्रेजेंट टेंस में होता है या पास्ट टेंस में होता है, फ्यूचर टेंस में कभी नहीं होता. As if and as though. With the phrases as if and as though, past tense and plural form of the verb should be used, means where. He behaves as if he were a millionaire. जनरली ही के बाद was आता है लेकिन इधर where लिखना चाहिए. Past perfect tense. Past perfect tense means subject plus had plus third form of the verb is used when a sentence refers to two past actions and one of them occurs earlier than other. For example, when my uncle came to India, I had passed MA. Means either simple past tense and past perfect tense यूज़ करना चाहिए. ओनली पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस नहीं आता है, उसके साथ ही साथ सिंपल पास्ट टेंस भी आता है. देन नेक्स्ट वन, वर्ड्स लाइक यूजुअली, जनरली, ऑफन, व्हेनेवर एक्सेट्रा आर यूज्ड इन सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस. अभी पहले हमने देखा कि सिंपल पास्ट टेंस में कुछ वर्ड्स आते हैं, उसी तरह सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में भी ये वर्ड्स है, यूजुअली, जनरली, ऑफन, व्हेनेवर. अगर ये वर्ड्स है तो डेफिनेटली सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस यूज़ करना चाहिए. आई यूजुअली गो टू प्ले क्रिकेट. आई ऑफन लाफ एट हिम. देन प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट प्रोग्रेसिव टेंस. If the action began in the past and is still continuing in the present, use present perfect progressive tense, means subject plus have or has been plus V1 ing. I have been reading in this class for 2 months. Then past tense. Do not use the future or the present tense after such expressions as suppose that, it is high time, it is time, as if, etc. It is high time that you went home. It is time that we played football. So keep it in mind, past tense ही use करना है. In this way we have finished the topic verb for our spotting error. Thank you.